All right, first graders. Today we are going to work on number 12 for fast math, so make sure you have the fast math with the number 12 in the bus. The first one says, starting by the light bulb, put an X on the seventh duck. So count the seventh one and put an X on it. The next one says, put an X on each circle that is above the line. All right, on the next part, you have some subtraction to do. So I want you to push pause and answer each of these subtraction problems. So 10 minus 3 equals blank. So push pause and fill that part out. The next part says, on Monday, Dad caught 2 mice in the trap. On Tuesday, he caught 3 more. How many mice were caught all together? Fill out that bottom part if you're able. Push pause if you need to, and then we're going to correct it. All right, are you ready to be your own teacher? Let's count out 7 of these. We're going to put an X on the 7th duck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is the 7th duck. The next one said put an X on each of the circles above the line. Here is our line right here. So all of them above the line would be these 5. And then there are 4 below the line that will not have an X. All right, let's do some subtracting. So the first one, we are starting with 10. We are going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. So that first answer is 7. The next one, if I have 7 and I don't take away any, I still have 7. The next one, we have 9. So here's 9 fingers. I'm going to take away 2. 1, 2. I have 7 left. The next one, I'm starting with 6. And I'm going to take away 1. 1. Now I have 5 left. The next one, I'm starting with 8. And I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 5 again. And the next one, 4. Take away 1 equals 3. All right, on Monday, Dad caught 2 mice in the trap. On Tuesday, he caught 3 more. Ooh, there's our clue, more. How many mice were caught all together? That's another clue. Remember, when they say all together, they're looking to add the 2 together. So that means we are, you got it, adding. The numbers we know are 2 and 3. Our addition sentence is going to be 2 plus 3 equals blank. And what is 2 plus 3, everybody? If I have 2 and then I add 3 more, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, 5 mice. Nice job working hard and nice job correcting your work. See you later.